Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how businesses grow online, get millions of views, or turn followers into customers, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down digital marketing in the simplest way possible, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. So, what exactly is digital marketing? Digital marketing is simply promoting products or services using the internet, through platforms like social media, search engines, email, and websites. Instead of billboards or TV ads, businesses now use platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to reach people directly. And the best part? You don't need a big budget to start, just the right strategy. Here's why digital marketing is so powerful. It helps you reach a global audience. It's more affordable than traditional marketing. You can target the exact people interested in your product, and you can track everything: clicks, views, sales. In simple terms, digital marketing helps you grow faster and smarter. Let's quickly go through the major types. 1. Social media marketing. This is promoting your brand on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Posting content, engaging with followers, and running ads all fall under this. 2. Search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is about ranking your website or content on Google. The higher you rank, the more people find you for free. 3. Content marketing. This includes videos, blogs, and posts that provide value to your audience. For example, educational YouTube videos like this one. 4. Email marketing. Sending emails to customers to build relationships and promote offers. Still one of the most effective marketing tools today. And 5. Paid advertising. Running ads on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to reach targeted audiences quickly. If you're a beginner, here's a simple roadmap. Step 1. Pick a niche. What do you want to promote? Step 2. Choose a platform: YouTube, Instagram, or a website. Step 3. Create valuable content consistently. Step 4. Learn basic SEO and audience targeting. Step 5. Analyze results and improve. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Avoid these beginner mistakes: trying to be on every platform at once, not understanding your audience, posting without a clear strategy, giving up too early. Digital marketing takes time, but the results are worth it. So that's digital marketing in a nutshell. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And comment below, what topic should I cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.